Sri Santosh Exports is one of the leading garments manufacturing companies in Tirupur, India, which was established in the year 1986 by our managing director, Mr. Udaya Shankar. After a steady growth through hard work and dedication, Sri Santosh Exports grew into a vertical setup garment manufacturing company in India. We take pride of our position in the global map of garment exports today. Sri Santosh Exports continues to grow its global footprints in all its departments, forming a group of companies starting from spinning, knitting, dyeing, printing, embroidery to dynamic manufacturing facility in the garment making industry. Sri Santosh Exports, being a traditional and standardized company, is now accompanied by the next generation JMD, Mr. Santosh Kumar, to take it to the next level of fame. Our spinning mill was established in the year 2005 at Tekaloon, which is 35 kilometers away from Coimbatore, the Manchester of South India. The company has carved niche of its own in the competitive yarn market. The company embodies the true spirit of enterprise, a trait common to the Manchester of South India, which is well known for its textile products. The state-of-the-art, fully integrated unit produces highest quality of medium, fine and superfine count cotton yarn at par with the best in the world. The unit is the principal supplier to a garment manufacturing facility fulfilling their total yarn requirements. The company sources cotton domestically and from reputable African growers. The raw material is then processed step by step through this highly sophisticated and state-of-the-art machineries into the best quality yarn. Efficient inventory management systems are in place to ensure a continuous production flow. Further, we take pride in saying that our unit is the least carbon emitting spinning mill in India as declared by ETI. It is also certified by FLO Fair Trade, CMIA, Organic Cotton and Ocotex. The knitting unit is equipped with high-tech European machines capable of producing 14 tons of quality grey fabric per day. Knitting machines like jacquard, flat and circular machines are available for producing an assorted choice of knitting, be it jersey or rib or fleece of any structure. Hence, customers have access to a wide collection to choose from. A continuous program of research and development ensures that knitting unit has the capability required to meet the latest fashion trends. The Ocotex certified dyeing and treatment plant is well equipped with the latest machineries and laboratory which has a production capacity of 12 tons of dyed fabric per day. Technically skilled personnel and contemporary infrastructure combined together to make a processing plant an outstanding facility. The attention to detail in every process of wide range of treatments with great finishing is the hallmark of our processing department. The processing comprises of balloon padding, relax drying, tumble drying, compacting, washing with acid, stone, enzyme, and garment dye with piece dye, silicone, bio, etc. can be customized to specifications. The Zero Liquid Discharge System, which is an independent plant of ours, achieves zero liquid effluent discharge. The multi-effect evaporator and crystallizer are installed for the recovery and reuse of salt and water. Together, both the plants are capable of treating about 3,000 kilograms of effluent and 600,000 liters of water per day. Our inbuilt laboratory develops innovative designs and styles with the help of CAD systems. The designing department is equipped with Lactra pattern making machines along with grading, digitizing machines and spreaders. To maintain design and quality of garment at par with the international standards, we have installed laser cutting machines with auto labeling facility. Our versatile printing unit is capable of printing almost all types of garment prints, which includes flock, pigment, and discharge. With manual tabletop printing to the latest MHM 8-color and 12-color automatic printing machines, we are capable of printing monocolor to 12-color prints in different ranges. Our embroidery unit, which is well equipped with 8 Barudan embroidery machines, has a production capacity of 20,000 pieces per day. When it comes to production, the factory produces all types of knit garments and woven fabrics like single jersey, heavy jersey, polyester cotton, cotton lycra, 100% cotton fleece, PK, cotton viscose, viscose lycra, bamboo cotton, 100% bamboo, slub, etc. The unit is equipped with more than 1,000 numbers of technically advanced machineries from Europe and Asia, operated by experienced personnel, guarantees production capacity of 25,000 pieces per day. With the latest hanging conveyor machines installed, the process is quick, easy and dust-free. Competent and committed workforce is at the core of our success as an internationally acclaimed organization. Our employees are most valuable assets and we continuously strive to keep them updated with the latest trends and technology by means of training program scheduled at periodic intervals to provide quality products. All our units have highly dynamic, well-trained, motivated and skilled workforce that meets the demands of its international premium customers from Europe. Sri Santosh Exports, with its excellent infrastructure and manpower, ensures that all sustainable initiatives undertaken are aimed towards providing social and environmental prosperity. With 25 years into the business, the organization has earned a solid reputation globally both in the textile and apparel sector. Since then, the group has spread out to other ventures like power energy and real estate management services. With its state-of-the-art technology and highly competent management team, the group has successfully etched its brand name worldwide as a reliable manufacturer of textile products.